How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, I'm replacing the tail light bulbs. This is LASFIT LED bulbs. I have a couple of my friends that using these, they recommend it, and I'm gonna try them out. I know they're really good, really bright, and I'm gonna swap my current regular bulbs for this one. Why I'm replacing this is because my brake lights, one of them went out, so it's really easy. We're just gonna swap it out, but I'm gonna show you how bright this is comparing to the regular bulb. And I have some other LEDs that I'm gonna try it out, and then we're gonna try these ones. These ones are 7443. There are red ones, and link is gonna be in the description if you wanna go to Amazon and pick this one up for your Accord. So let me start the car, and I'm gonna show you that my brake light went out. So let me press on the brakes. See the light right there? That's the brake lamp. If I put it on reverse or drive, it's gonna stay on. If you can see there, it stays on. That means that my brake light went out. So this is a really easy swap. You just remove the cover for the tail lights, and this is what I have right now. And this one actually went out, so let me turn on the lights to see if it works. So that one is not working. That one only works when I press on the brakes, but when I turn my lights, it's not working. Now, if you can see, it has two filaments, one for the lights and one for the brake light. And the one for the light went out, but the one for the brake light is working. But this one is not good. We need to replace it. I have all these other LEDs. These ones are really cheap made. They get really loose, and some of them they went out already. I used to have these ones on my 2009 Accord, but I'm gonna put it on to see if it works. Because these ones are really cheap made. If you can see on this side, all the LEDs are working, but on this side, you see that one, it's not working. Like I said, they're really cheap made, and they went out really easy. Now let me press on the brakes. It's not really good quality. They went out, I think, like 3 months after I put them on my Accord. On my 09 Accord, they went out. Now let's try the LASFIT. Have them right here. And I'm really excited to try these ones because these ones are red, and I know they're gonna look really, really bright, really good. On these ones, if you put it one way or the other, they work. On these ones, if you put it one way, sometimes they don't work. You have to remove it and put it on to make it work. So this is two-way LED. So we're gonna put it on and try it. Wow, really bright. So now I'm gonna press on the brakes, but obviously to do the comparison, we're gonna wait until it gets dark to try this one against the regular and against this LED. So I'm just gonna put this one back on the car. That one is on now. I'm gonna wait until it gets dark, so I'm gonna try those. There you have it. I know it's gonna look really, really bright. And in here we have another LED, but you barely see it. You barely see it. So that's why I wanted to use this new LED light, and they're gonna look really, really good. So let's wait until it gets dark to start working on it. There, that's the new LED. I have some other LEDs right here that are really, really bright too. You see that light output? Now if you come to this side, that one is not really good. So that's why we're swapping them too. You can see the difference right there. That's a regular bulb, and that's the other LED. Press on it. Let go. Press on it. Let go. Press on it. That's the LED. If you can see, it's flickering because some of the little LEDs went out. Let go. Press on it. Let go. Okay guys, so now I have the LASFIT on the car. Press on the brakes. If you can see how bright they are, a lot different than the regular and the other LEDs that I have. Let go. Okay, if you can see, LASFIT are on it, and those are red. That's why they look a little bit different than those. Those are white, but they're really bright too. But you can see the difference on it. They look really good. Alright, press on it. Let go. Let go. Press on it. Let go. If you see the difference, guys. Now the only thing that I have to do is turn on the car, drive it. Probably the light on the dash is gonna stay on, but I have new resistors coming. That's gonna be for another episode. But for now, I'm gonna drive it and see if the light stays on. Probably it does gonna stay on, but I'm gonna see. The light stay on, but like I said, I have resistors coming, so we can remove that light from the dash. Do I recommend this LASFIT? Yes, I do, because I know they're really good, and hopefully LASFIT can watch this episode and they can sponsor, because I want to do some LED upgrade on this truck. Like I said, it's my buddy's truck, but I request LASFIT to send me some 9007. Hopefully they reply to my email so I can get some upgrade lights on the Ford Ranger right there. If you have any questions, guys, please comment down below and I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.